topic is once again integration mathematics 2b part 29 reduction formulas. This reduction formulas 99% coming to the IB examination 7 marks question. Integration having total 2 7 marks question coming to the IB examination. One is 10 methods, especially 8th, 9th, 10th method and 6th method are very important. After that, second 7 marks question is reduction formula, especially coming to sin power n, cos power n, tan power n, cot power n, secant power n, cosecant power n. These are the very important reduction formulas. First of all, a reduction formula for integral sin power nx dx. Here n is a positive integer, n value is greater than or equal to 2. Nothing but n value equal to 2 or more than 2. Right, what is the reduction formula? What is this one statement you get to prove? Prove here sin power n is there, you get put I suffix n is equal to integral sin power nx dx, n value is greater than or equal to 2. After that, in sin power nx, you can common sin x. You can common what? Sin x. Here you can common sin x, sin power n minus 1 x into sin x. Here bases are equal to power should be added. You get n minus 1 power 1, n minus 1 plus 1 nothing but n. After that, this one is u, this one is v, by using integration by parts method. Which method? Integration by parts method. U into integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u into integral v dx over dx. This one is the integration by parts method formula. In this formula, you can write u is equal to sin power n minus 1x, v is equal to sin x, I suffix n is equal to u nothing but sin power n minus 1x into v nothing but sin x dx minus integral d by dx of u nothing but sin power n minus 1x, integral v nothing but sin x dx or dx. Just I will write in this formula in place of u sin power n minus 1x, in place of v sin x. After that, sin power n minus 1x into sin x integration is minus cos x minus integral derivative of u power n. Here u is sin x, power n is n minus 1. N minus 1 into sin x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of u nothing but sin x. Here what is the integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is minus cos x into dx. After that, minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x minus into minus plus n minus 1 is common, integral sin power n minus 1 n minus 2x, derivative of sin x is cos x. Here also cos x is there. Here minus n goes to here front of minus into minus plus n minus 1 common, sin power n minus 1 n minus 2, derivative of sin x is cos x, already cos x is there. Next, first term is similar, first term is unchanged. Second term n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2 x into cos x cos square x dx. Cos x into cos x what? Cos square x into dx. This total value equal to I suffix n value. This total value I suffix n nothing but sin integral sin power nx dx is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2 cos square x into dx. I suffix n equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2 sin power n minus 2x cos square x. By the first identity, cos square x value is 1 minus sin square x by the first identity of the trigonometry. After that, here also we once again first term is similar, n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2x plus into plus n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2x separated two terms minus into dx minus plus into minus minus n minus 1 is common integral sine power n minus 2x into sine square x into dx. Here this n minus 1 integration and multiplying internal terms. Here one is the first term, second one is sine square x, multiplying these all terms you get the two terms. After that minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2x into dx minus n minus 1 into integral, here sin x is there, here sin x is there, bases are equal, power should be added, sine power n minus 2 plus 2x dx. After that minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2x into dx minus n minus 1 into integral 2 minus 2 get cancel, you get the sine power nx dx. Here I suffix n value is what here? I suffix n is equal to integral sine power nx dx. This is the I suffix n. Here this total value equal to I suffix n or not? Compulsory the total value equal to I suffix n. Here this value equal to here sine power n minus 2 is there, that's why I suffix n minus 2 can write. After that I suffix n is equal to minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2x is nothing but I suffix n minus 2 minus n minus 1 into I suffix n. After that this goes to LHS what? I suffix n plus n minus 1 into I suffix n. Here minus is there, minus goes to left side, you get a positive minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I suffix n minus 2. After that in LHS part, which term is common here? I suffix n is common. 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I suffix n minus 2. After that minus 1 plus 1 cancel, I suffix n into n equal to, once again this RHS part are unchanged, cos x plus n minus 1 into I suffix n minus 2. After that I suffix n is equal to minus minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I suffix n minus 2 all by n. Here this is a multiplication LHS what, that multiply goes to the RHS what, divisible. After that I suffix n nothing but integral sine power nx dx is equal to, you can write separated numerator minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n I suffix n minus 2 plus c. This is the reduction formula of integral sine power nx dx. Integral sine power nx dx formula is what? Minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n I suffix n minus 2 plus c. This is a reduction formula proof. In this proof annual exam having 7 marks, once sometimes that proof having 5 marks, 2 marks having one problem. Next see the problem. Integral sine power 4x dx. Find the integral sine power 4x dx by using reduction formula of sine power nx dx. In this problem, reduction formula 5 marks, in this problem 2 marks, total 7 marks. Sometimes only reduction formula is given, that total 7 marks coming to that reduction formula. Here this is equation 1, suppose this is reduction formula equation 1. Here n is sine power nx, nothing but n is 4. Here substituted n is equal to 4. I suffix 4 equal to integral sine power 4x dx is equal to minus sine power 4 minus 1 3x into cos x by 4 plus n minus nothing but 4 minus 1 by the 3 by 4 into I suffix 4 minus 2 value 2. This is equation number 2. Here I suffix n equal to 4 substituted, you get I suffix 2. After that in equation 1 substituted n is equal to 2. Next I suffix 2 equal to integral sin square x dx is equal to minus sine power n value is 2 minus 1 1x into cos x by n value 2 plus 2 minus 1 value 1 by 2 I suffix 2 minus 2 value is 0. This is equation number 3. After that in I suffix naught value what here n value is 0. Here in equation 1 substituted n is equal to 0. You get 1 implies what? I naught equal to integral sine power n value is what here? N value is 0x dx is equal to integral sine power 0 nothing but something by 0 value how much? 1 dx. 1 dx value is x plus c. This value is substituted in equation 3. Right. 3 implies what is equation 3? I suffix 2 equal to integral sin square x into dx is equal to minus sin x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2. I suffix naught value is what here? X. This value here, this is which value? I suffix 2 value. I suffix 2 value substituted in equation 2. What is that 2 implies? What is that 2 here? 2 implies I suffix 4. This can be written as sine power 4x. Sine power 4x equal to minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I suffix 2. What is the value of I suffix 2? I suffix 2 value is of minus sine x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x plus c. After that multiplied 3 by 4 multiplied internally, you get minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus into minus 3 by 4 to the 8 sin x into cos x plus into plus 3 ones are 3 4 to the 8 x plus c. This is the integration of sin power 4x. Integration of sin power 4x value is what, sir? Minus sin cube x into cos x by 4 minus 3 by 8 into sin x into cos x plus 3 by 8 x plus c. Here this sin power 4x dx can solve by using reduction formula. You can easily convert it to formula. After that here suppose here n is even, you get in this reduction formula n is even, you get I naught value is x plus c. If n is odd nothing but 1 3 5 7 9, here n equal to 4 you get I naught value is x. Here you get n is odd, you get I1 nothing but I suffix 1 nothing but integral sin x dx, that can be written as minus cos x plus c. Here suppose integral sin power 5x dx can be solved the problem. You get last term is I1, you get I1 value is minus cos x. Here sin power 6x nothing but even number, you get I naught value is x plus c. This is the process of the find the value of sin power 4, sin power 6, sin power 8, these are sin power 7. These are by using reduction formula. Problem in reduction formula is show that I suffix n is equal to integral cos power nx dx is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n I suffix n minus 2 plus c. Here also be n is a positive integer, n is greater than or equal to 2. Right. Here in this problem you can solve similar way of sin power n. Here first of all you can write cos power n minus 1x into cos x. Here cos power n get written as cos power n minus 1x into cos x, bases are equal, power should be added, you get the same answer. This is u, this is v. After that, by using integration by parts method, similarly do that sin power nx dx reduction formula model. After that, total completed, this one is reduction formula answer. After that, problem you can do one problem, integral cos power 5x dx, integral cos power 5x dx. Here n value is 5, here n value is 5, 5 is which number? Odd number. Suppose n value is even, suppose n value is even, n value is even, you get I naught, n value is odd, you get I1. Here I naught value is once again x plus c in cos power nx dx. I1 is integral cos x dx, nothing but sin x plus c. This is the integration of cos x integration is sin x plus c. First do that the reduction formula. After that do that integral cos power 5x dx. You get n is 5 is odd number, you get I1 value is sin x plus c. Okay, thank you.